I'm going to show you how to download games for free on your laptop or PC for Windows 11. I'm going to show you two different methods. The first one will be using something native to Windows 11. The second will be an external third-party download. So the first thing we need to do is just open up your search bar and type in Microsoft Store and click on it. With this now open, navigate to the left-hand side and select Gaming. And from here, you'll be able to see at the bottom middle, free games. If you just select that, you'll have lots and lots of different games that all you need to do is just click on a random one here, select Get, and it will install and download to your computer. However, if you want better games, then I would suggest you close out of this, open up your preferred browser, and search for Steam Download and select the top option here. And then just click Install Steam, wait for this to download, and then simply run steamsetup.exe. Once you have Steam installed, you want to navigate to this top menu here and select Browse, and then to the right, you will see Free to Play. Click that. And from here, you'll be able to download or browse some of the best free-to-play games that are currently available. As you can see, we've got Apex Legends, World of Tanks, Overwatch, Counter-Strike, etc., etc. The list does go on. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like.